empty, nothing here, guys. See that? Nothing. Alright, I'm gonna show you how nothing ended up on the board. Guys, I want to share with you. I went to the market, right? I tried to buy the toilet paper. They don't have it, and I didn't read. I thought this is toilet paper. I got this two. I said, oh my god, I hit the jackpot. I got two of this. And when I coming home, I open up. And when I open up, I realize this is napkin. Unbelievable. Okay, no problem. It don't not add up the word napkin. I'm gonna show you how to make the toilet paper. Okay, this is cutting board. I'm put this napkin on the top right here, but I use another side. You know, I went to the Subway yesterday. I don't have anything. You know, everything empty. Every day I go, it's nothing there. No napkin, no toilet paper. Everything gone. Okay, now lucky I got this too. I'm gonna show you how to divide this by 3 to be a toilet paper. Okay, guys. I went to grocery. I cannot find no toilet paper. I'm gonna show you how to cut this, make a toilet paper. This is napkin. Napkin, you get lucky. You always get here and there, right? Every time. Since the start from the coronavirus, I go to the grocery. I never can find the toilet paper, and I'm lucky I got this. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make toilet paper. Okay, first I have this paper towel on top of the cutting board right here. Okay, so using that, I'm gonna go ahead show you how to cut this paper towel right here. Okay, I'm gonna divide by 3. Have to be the knife have to be very sharp. Okay, guys, the knife sharp and easy to cut. So go ahead, go start it. Go gentle. Take time. Cut this very thick. You got to do. You know, don't let anything bother you. You know. The knife has to be very sharp. It's not sharp, it's not gonna cut. Okay. So now nice, very sharp, and now I can cut all the way. Oh yeah. There you go. I have one. See that? Very easy. If you don't have it, you have to do what you got to do. This right here, toilet paper right now. Okay, let me cut another one. Okay, I can make 2 more right here. And then I have to be very sharp and very gentle. Cut through. Oh yeah. Look at this. I got 2, guys. 2 of them. See that? I got this. Just create from your own because I got 3, 1 row right here. You can make 3. some 4. Okay, no problem. But I got my toilet paper with no time, guys. Very easy. See that? I got toilet paper from this paper towel. Yep. Cut another 2 more right here. That's enough. You know, you got to do what you got to do. Every time you go to market, I went to Walmart, Giant, Subway, all kind of market. Never ever have this toilet paper, so I have to make it my own, guys. Okay, there you got it. Just go ahead, do what you got to do. Emergencies, correction, you know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you. You like this video? Thumbs up, subscribe. Because if we come to emergency time like this, go ahead, do what you have to do. You know, this is COVID-19. People crazy. They're going grab only one of kind. Why now? You know, before it never happened like that. Why now? If this now problem like that, what you got to do? Napkin. Divide by 3 and that's it. You know. Alright, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, right here, see that? You can fit in just like that. So easy. And I'm gonna go ahead fill up in here. See that? That's what you need. It's not add up the words. You can always create something. Yep, just like that. See, I got full in here. This one, just like that. Put in here, and yeah, you can use it. Just like that. So easy, simple is that, you know. And one more thing I want to share with you guys. One more, okay? Look, I have. This is sorry, but I show you my toilets, okay? The clearware right here. This is for the water. So when you use the bathroom and you can clean yourself with this water come up like this. Oh, see that? You can, how much you want to go like that. Okay, clean yourself. You go higher, you go higher. Okay, that's what I got. I want to share with you. And when you finish it, you wipe off with the towel, paper, the napkin. I mean the towel right here. When you use it, you just put it in the machine and wash it. And that's to save you money if you don't have the paper towel. Another way you can do, okay? Use this one and wipe off yourself, clean up even more clean, and just wash it, just like that, you know. Or towel you got, just keep and use it and clean it up, and even more better clean yourself better. That's my tip. Give to you. There you go. I can use this for a whole month right here. See, to save your time. And that another one is a good one if you order from online. They call clearware. And then that's it. And use a towel. Wipe off yourself and then nice and clean, fresh, even better than paper towel.